Here we have another example problem for linear systems with two variables. And the difference with this example problem is we won't specify which method for solving that we'll use. So we can either use elimination or substitution. And for this example, we're not going to say which one. So here we have 7x minus 8y, which is equal to negative 12, and negative 4x plus 2y is equal to 3. So the first step in solving this example problem is we want to decide which method of solving to use, either elimination or substitution. So we can look at these two equations, and the first thing that sticks out is the negative 8 and the 2 for the y variable. So we know that these are very common, and all we have to do is multiply this function by 4, and these two terms will cancel out. So that's what we'll go ahead and do. We can easily, this will show us that we want to use elimination for our method of solving. So the next step is we want to solve using elimination. And like I said earlier, all we have to do is multiply this second equation by 4, and it will give us a new equation which will cancel out the y terms. So the top equation will just multiply by 1, keeping it the same. The bottom equation will multiply by 4. And so we have 7x minus 8y, which is equal to 12. So this hasn't changed. And then we'll have negative 16x plus 8y, which is equal to 12. So now when we add these two equations together, we get negative 9x, which is going to be equal to 0. And we know that x is going to be equal to 0. The last step is we just want to plug in this x value to solve for y. So we can really pick either of these equations. For this scenario, we picked the second equation. So we have negative 4x plus 2y, which is equal to 3. Plug in the 0 for x, and we get 2y is equal to 3. And we know that y is equal to 3/2.